Communicating climate change. Hi, my name is Renata Cuña Castrita. I'm right now studying industrial engineering in Tec de Monterrey, Mexico, and I am 18 years old. I really like this subject because climate change, I think, is a problem that affects us all as a society, and we need the help of everyone to solve it. So it's not actually a problem of one person, it's a problem of all. So first of all, what is climate change? Well, climate change is first the long-term change of patterns in weather in a specific region. It also refers to the rise of global temperature, and that's why we have the change in patterns in the world. And this can lead to many different problems like natural disasters or changes in biodiversity. So what are the causes of this climate change? The cause is greenhouse gases. And what are greenhouse gases? Well, they are gases in Earth's atmosphere that trap heat. Carbon dioxide is the primary greenhouse gas, and it is emitted through human activities. And these human activities is transportation, energy usage, or electricity and gas. So basically, carbon dioxide goes to the atmosphere and then it traps the heat. And that can cause a lot of trouble. So in activity 1, we had a report of total emissions calculated of one person in 1 year. It's actually stunning because we calculate 5,063 kilograms of CO2 equivalent in 1 year. So basically that means that everyone in their houses contribute to the emission of greenhouse gases. We find out also that the three activities that contaminate the most are electricity, natural gas, and gasoline or transportation. So what are the consequences for us humans, climate change? The first of all is increase in water crisis and hunger. And what causes this? Well, the extreme weather events like floods, fire, and droughts. These three events can cause to water crisis and hunger. And what are the consequences for animals? Well, first of all is the loss of biodiversity due to limited adaptability. So basically the destruction of the habitats is what caused the loss of biodiversity. And one that for me is the most important is the increase in sea levels and ocean acidification. So us humans have taken adaptation actions, which is to reduce vulnerability to climate change. First of all is the infrastructure in building design, the emergency response, and community engagement. And then we have mitigation actions, which are actions to reduce the curve of greenhouse gases emissions. The first one is industrial process and improvements. The second one, renewable energy and greenhouse infrastructure. So then stopping climate change will help us achieve some sustainable development goals, which are the blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. Okay, so I found out 6 goals that stopping climate change may achieve, and the first one is clean water and sanitization, affordable and clean energy, industry, innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, and climate action. So the 6, 7, and 12 are goals that if we achieve, then we can stop climate change. And that will be all.